Cleaning and sanitizing your reusable plastic water bottle is essential for preventing harmful bacteria and germs from forming. You can easily clean your bottle using common household ingredients, such as dish soap, white vinegar, or baking soda. To clean your bottle, fill it halfway with warm water and add a few drops of dish soap. Shake the bottle for about 30 seconds, then rinse it with clean water. For stubborn buildup, use a sponge or bottle brush to scrub the inside of the bottle. Clean the lid and any accessories with a straw brush or pipe cleaner. After cleaning, leave the bottle open to air dry or dry it with a clean towel. If your bottle is dishwasher safe, remove the lid and place everything on the top rack. Run the dishwasher with the drying cycle on. You can also use white vinegar or hydrogen peroxide to sanitize your bottle. Fill the bottle partially with white vinegar or hydrogen peroxide, shake it, and let it sit overnight. Rinse the bottle with warm water and dry it thoroughly. Lastly, you can use a mixture of baking soda and water to clean your bottle. Pour the mixture into the bottle, let it sit overnight, then scrub and rinse the bottle. Dry it completely before using or store it disassembled.